Why do some random trips feel more fun than big class trips? I'm on an educational trip with a small group of kids. And it's so much fun compared to other trips my school has taken me on. We finished the educational part, but that was fun. I got to pet horseshoe crabs and starfish. And I found a seagull feather to home. I even saw my older cousin who was helping run the event. Now I'm watching my cousin throw around an ice pack with his friends. And it's so stupid, but this is so peaceful. Unlike the big class trips I've been on that were so chaotic, couldn't enjoy it as much as this one. That's all for now. Stormberries, bye.